How to find new cryptocurrencies to earn more money. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you a couple of methods with which you can find new cryptocurrencies to invest in and earn more money. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now, first things first, what we want to do is we want to go over here onto this website called CoinMarketCap. Now, this is basically a main website where you can find different coins to invest in. Now, before I begin and show you all the methods, I just want to say that, don't take this video as a financial advice or anything like that. Don't take my word for it, because in order to actually find different cryptocurrencies, you will have to do your own research, and then that way you will have to invest in them. It's pretty simple. You don't have to, you can use these methods to find your own cryptocurrency, but as I said before, it's not 100% guaranteed method. No method is 100% guaranteed. You will have to find your own methods, doing a little bit of research, and then and hopefully you will find the coin that you are looking for. Now, having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now, when you first come over here onto CoinMarketCap, the easiest method in order to find some new cryptocurrencies is by coming over here, right? And hovering your mouse or tapping on cryptocurrencies and just simply click on recently added. So pretty much simply that. Over here you will find all of the recent coins that are added on CoinMarketCap that are being traded as of right now. So as you can see, Joystick Games Joy, the current price is over here. As you can see, it's listed, and as you can see, it is rising up. For the last hour, it has increased by 1.26%, and in the last 24 hours, 0.60. Now, over here, as you can see, 5 hours ago, this is running on the Ethereum blockchain, and over here you will see the volume and the full diluted market cap as well. So over here, basically, you can find your own cryptocurrencies, the latest ones that have recently been added to invest in. Of course, you will have to do a little bit of your own research in order to find them, right? Now, another way, you can go over here onto CoinGecko, and over here you can do the exact same thing. Now, unlike CoinMarketCap, right, on CoinGecko you will find different cryptocurrencies that really aren't, you know, listed as of yet. So basically, once you come over here, you will see, you know, you click on new cryptocurrencies. Over here you will find some new cryptocurrencies. Or okay, so as you can see, we have some new cryptocurrencies over here. So joystick games, okay. So over here, this was the number one, whereas on CoinGecko, this is on, I don't know, this is on number 9 or number 10, right? This was added 10 hours ago, as you can see over here. And up at the top, we have other ones as well, such as Pony Index, Lunar Flare, Conpay, Artcoin, When Lambo, or and as you can see, we have different coins and much, much more coins available on CoinGecko. So you can pretty much find more coins over here than on CoinMarketCaps. But as I said before, in order to actually find and make a profit out of these, you will have to do your own research. So over here, as you can see, straight up from this one, I don't think this would be a good investment, because there's like the price of this coin is $1, and the total volume is 838. So let's go ahead and jump into it and see some other you know information that we can about this coin. So as you can see, there is no total supply. The total supply is infinite. So I'm not really sure about this one. So you have to also check out the total supply or the maximum supply, and the market cap. But currently there is no market cap because currently it's not listed. But you know these are some of the things that you have to look out for. Now, another way that you can find a nice cryptocurrency to invest in is through ICO. So what is ICO? This is basically like initial coin offering. So like an IPO, initial public offering, right? Like an IPO, like companies have different IPOs and they go public. you know Same thing with coins, they have ICOs, you know initial coin offering. So over here, this is the website called ICODrops.com. Over here you can find different ICOs. So as you can see, these are some of the active ICOs that are currently active, that are running. So Lunaverse blockchain, services, blockchain services, Subdao, Manta Network. So these are some of the ICOs that are available right now. And then we have upcoming ICOs as well. So over here, as you can see, These are the ICOs that are about to be released, so you have can go ahead and check those out as well. And these are some of the ICOs that have ended. So basically, you can come over here and be a part of their ICO, be a part of the coin, and then you, of course, then the coin is going to take off before and after the ICO happens. So it's going to take off after the ICO, and then you can make a pretty decent amount of money. So over here, as you can see, this coin is ICO is about to be launched in 13 hours yet, and soy finance. So do your own research, find different coins. Now I keep saying that, but how can you find different coins or do some research on it? Well, there are a couple of things that you can do in order to find or to see that a coin is good or active or not. Well, number one is to go ahead and check out the website of the coin. So basically, check out the website, see if there's any glitches or bugs or anything like that. Like, for example, if a coin has a decent enough website, then chances are that all of the functionalities are going to work. And speaking of functionalities, the second thing that you have to look out for is basically finding the coin's development, right? Why that coin was developed, for what reason that coin was developed, when it was developed. Check out its transaction histories on CoinMarketCap or on different cryptocurrency websites. Check out how many people are trading in it. See if there's actually activity within the coin. That way you will be able to determine that if this coin is a good or not. Because if a good coin, like for example, like we all know, right? We all know about Bitcoin and Ethereum, right? So if you check out Bitcoin, you can see like currently it's dead. Like it's not dead, it's coming down, but we can see there's a lot of activity, right? Like a lot of activities are happening, right? It's getting traded by every single minute, right? So let me just come over here onto Binance. So over here, right? So this is Bitcoin, right? So let me just show you guys. So constantly, trading is happening. There is no, like, as you can see, like, it's very active, which is an indication that this coin is a good coin. We already know about Bitcoin, but I'm just saying, like, this is the stuff that we're looking for. We're looking for activity, we're looking for development, we're looking for the reasons why that coin was developed. We're trying to look at the job boards, we're trying to look at bounties for that coin. Anything that can help us, we're basically looking for that. And that is basically going to help us to determine whether this is a really good coin or it's a scam, because a lot of coins pop up. They're like, okay, they get different investors, they get their money, and they're like, okay, now we have all the investors in, we got the money, let's go out. And a lot of stuff has happened in the past as well. That's why cryptocurrencies generally have a bad name and a bad reputation, because of those some of the bad apples in the game, I would say. So these are the things that you got to look out for in order to find a decent enough cryptocurrency to invest in. Another cool thing that you can do is you can come over here onto this website called masari.io/screeners, right? So over here, basically, you're going to be looking at big companies or big venture capitals. You're going to be looking at their portfolio. So over here, we have Coinbase Ventures Fund portfolio. So this is basically their portfolio. Now, over here, we can see all of the cryptocurrencies that they've invested in. So as you can see, we have Celo, we have Compound, CQT, CRV, Dodo, FIE, HXRO. We have all these different, cryptocurrencies that the companies are, invested in. Now, these aren't all the cryptocurrencies that they have invested in. There are a bunch of other ones that they haven't invested in, but this is a good, sign where you can find different cryptocurrencies to find and take a part of. So if you see these big companies, A16Z, you will see they're basically invested in these companies, in these cryptocurrencies. So you can see that they are going to make some big hits. So as you can see over here, reported market cap 4.9 billion over here. Revenue real volume is 124, and change versus USD is plus 39%. So we have a bunch of different options over here. So you can go over here onto masari.io/screeners. You can find these big companies, the big, you would say ventures, and you can find what their portfolio look like you can see it, and then you can make a similar portfolio with, and of course you can make a similar portfolio of them, and hopefully you will get your money. So these are a couple of things that you have to look out for. So the video is probably getting a little bit longer, so I'm gonna end this video right here, guys. So that is it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, of course, let me know in the comment sections down below, or ask someone as well. And within the comments, I'm sure people will help you, and I will also answer them as soon as I can. So having said that, I'll catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.